Oppo has launched the Find X9 series globally along with ColorOS 16. This is the first global launch to use MediaTek's 3nm Dimensity 5000 chipset. Oppo's confirmed the India launch and a dedicated microsite is live. The Indian microsite confirmed both the Find X9 and X9 Pro will arrive in the country. The Find X9 will be available in titanium grey while the X9 Pro will be coming in silk white color. Oppo will release the Enco Buds 3 Pro Plus in blue and black color and the Hasselblad teleconverter kit for the Find X9 Pro. It includes a teleconverter lens, a magnetic camera grip, a magnetic back cover, and a shoulder strap. The Find X9 is powered by the 7025 mAh battery with 80-watt wired 50-watt wireless charging. The Find X9 Pro uses a larger 7500 mAh battery with 90-watt wired charging. Oppo claims 69 hours of mixed use with the Find X9 and 80 hours with the X9 Pro. Both run Android 16 with ColorOS 16. It offers 32% faster single-core performance than last year's model. The Find X9 has a 6.6-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, while Find X9 Pro has a 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED screen that reaches 3600 nits of peak brightness. The Find X9 Pro has a 50-megapixel main Sony LYT-828 sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide and 200-megapixel 3x periscope telephoto lens, along with a 50-megapixel selfie shooter. The standard X9 swaps the periscope with a 50-megapixel telephoto lens. In India, Oppo is offering a 99 rupees privilege pack. It includes a premium gift box, a free 80-watt Superbook adapter, a 1000 rupee exchange discount benefits, and 2 years of battery protection stuff. Oppo will reveal the Indian pricing and availability very soon.